Good afternoon, Ainsley. Welcome to the State of the Market for March 25.
Hello, welcome everybody. Good to see you all again. Footy started. So back in we're in Victoria. So who am I kidding? Mainly in Victoria. We're very excited. I assume the rest of the states are excited about that too. I guess we should start. We want to make this quick, not take up too much of your time, but keep you informed. So Simon, let's talk about the interest rates.
Interest rates. A lot of people are very happy with the rates coming down. That is absolutely for sure. What are we seeing for the next potential change at the Reserve Bank meeting on the 1st of April? And that is not a joke, the 1st of April, but a 10% chance of a rate drop apparently. So that's part of it. But what we're definitely seeing, and we're getting a lot of questions from people a bit nervous about what might happen with rates going forward, more the other way. With tariffs and potential tariffs, and there's certainly a few more concerns around that. And does that mean that rates end up pushing up if inflation comes back, I guess? So we've certainly got more people interested in fixing at least for a year or so to see what happens. So we're definitely seeing a bit of that.
And there are some really good fixed rates, especially for the 1 and 2 year at the moment as well. So for those who are uncertain, it's a good option to consider, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. And in terms of our purchasing customer clients, I guess we've seen quite a few buy lately.
Yeah. So we're seeing upgraders. So it just feels like people have put off some decisions the last couple of years, and now okay, we're going to do it. So whether that's upgrading, we're seeing quite a bit of that, but we're seeing numerous first home buyers, and we do help, people around the country, but a lot more in Melbourne and Victoria overall. And with it being fairly flat, the property prices here, a lot of first-time buyers seem to be saying, right, I need to get in. And that there are different schemes, but there's one federal government scheme that's been very, very good, and where they don't take any ownership of the property, and where that can work for our clients, so our clients can own the whole property without paying mortgage insurance. That's been really useful.
It's certainly, it has absolutely helped so many first home buyers enter the market. It's been a great scheme. And there's no obligation for them to, give up part of the ownership. The scheme doesn't take any ownership or anything over the title. It's all an agreement, a guarantee, I guess, direct with the lender. So it doesn't impact the borrower at all.
And whilst we do have many guarantor loans where the parents help, we're doing it a few less at the moment, because if we can use the scheme and keep the parents out of it and keep their property out of it, then obviously that's a win-win as well. Yeah,
for sure. And in the refinancing space, I guess we should probably mention, it comes back to the rate reduction as well. There have been a few banks who haven't passed on that rate reduction. And so we are seeing customers who have been with particular banks for long-term, loyalty, etc., not seeing their worth to the lender, and so we are refinancing quite a few people. They're talking with their movement, I guess. They're letting their banks know, well, hey, if you're not going to treat us properly, then I'll see you.
That's right. No, that's exactly right. So, I guess that's why, from a personal point of view, I will always review mine every couple of years, because Because why do you want to give banks more money? At the end of the day, everyone's got different goals, but most people want financial freedom. So don't give the banks more money than you need to. So.
Yeah, exactly. I think that's a good thing to end on. Why give the banks more money than you need to?
Yeah. So that's probably a bit short and sharp. And I know a lot of people are into the footy, or whether they're into the NRL, or whether they've been following the NBL over the weekend, or there's so much sport going on for the other sports tragics out there. But back to finance. Obviously, if anyone needs a hand, let us know. But otherwise, until the end of April, Lance.
Yeah, that's right. End of April.
Okay.
Another month. Can you believe it? It'll be after Easter. Oh my gosh.
Fantastic.
Where is it going? All right. See you guys.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye.